It's Vanguard, baby. Vanguard got him going crazy.
So I'm in another strange environment with the puppy.
I'm going to show you why in this video you're going to need the equipment that we create for puppies. When we first started shaping the behaviors in puppies, we couldn't find any equipment that would help us get the ending result because most of it was discouraging because the equipment was too hard. We tailor-made these products and we handpicked the material. Then we test the material on our own dogs. And then we said to ourselves, this is it. This is why we get the ending result so fast. They love to bite. It's not discouraging. Watch this video and watch how the puppy works.
I'm going to start getting some games in it.
Although it could be dangerous taking young puppies out into environments when vaccinations have not built up their immune system, but you would hope that the antibodies from the mother's milk would be sufficient enough to sustain them. If you want the ending result to be a great working puppy, you want to take these puppies very early on out into new environments, as you see here, and play those games that you play in those familiar places. I am always pleased when I see these puppies continue to play those games.
Yes. So you see, got right out of the car and he's cranking up to his game. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Good boy.
When the equipment is too hard, a dog cannot close his mouth and hold on to it. Only the correct type of fabric and padding can give you this ending result. This equipment was created with the working puppies in mind and heart. Our chosen fabric is like a sock, and puppies love socks.
This is why you need a soft pillow from Vanguard K9, because of the material we use. The puppies can get a good firm grip. The pillow looks enormously large or overly huge compared to the size of the puppy, but the material that we make it out of is inviting, it's intriguing, but it's soft. I can almost ball that pillow up in my hand. You see that? And with that, you can get good drive and good results with your puppies. I did. Stella, 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 Stella. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah.
The K9 puppy equipment gear that we make here is accredited for shaping these type of behaviors. Without it, we couldn't do it because there is no equipment out there that is soft enough and durable to last. This equipment is like none other. What are you waiting for? Pick up the phone and dial 904-450-3339 and get your order in today.
Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. And that toy disappears. Grandmaster Von the Muff with some of the world's greatest working puppies and the world's greatest audience, you.